Yo, Flickly fam, get ready, cuz we're dropping the hottest sports and business news right now. First up, we're diving deep into the future of baseball with the 2025 Under Armour Next All-America game. We're talking about the incredible talent on display, the standout players like Santarelli and Matthews, and the incredible feats they're achieving on the diamond. You won't want to miss this. Next, we're shifting gears to the financial world, where Rothschild Co Redburn has just reaffirmed their neutral rating for Under Armour. We'll break down what this means for the company's stock, the price objectives from various analysts, and what the insiders are saying. Is this a hold, a buy, or a sell? We've got the inside scoop. Then, we're hitting the ice with a look at all the brand new Under Armour jerseys making waves in the Canadian Hockey League preseason. From the Ontario Hockey League to the Quebec Maritime Junior Hockey League and the Western Hockey League, we're showcasing the fresh designs and the new 5-year deal with UA. Get ready to see who's rocking the best new gear. And finally, we're going behind the scenes with Under Armour CEO Kevin Plank defending his unique management style, all while a massive $434 million settlement still looms. We'll explore how Plank plans to speed up product cycles and what it means for the company's future. Stick around, you won't want to miss this. Hit that like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Baseball's future stars shine bright. Get a front row seat to the incredible talent showcased at the 2025 Under Armour Next All-America game, held at the iconic Oriole Park at Camden Yards. This prestigious event brought together 40 of the nation's top high school players for an intense pro-style workout, a thrilling home run derby, and a nail-biting 9-inning showcase game, all under the watchful eyes of Major League scouts. Among the standout performers, we saw the raw power of Santarelli, a hulking first baseman whose impressive batting practice and hard-hit balls in-game demonstrated his tremendous strength and ability to generate torque. Matthews, a 6'4" outfielder, wowed with his bat speed and raw power, even launching a home run during the showcase. Peterson, the home run derby champion, showcased an easy swing with natural loft and significant power. Vieira's, a physically imposing outfielder, displayed an impressive collection of tools, including tremendous bat speed and one of the best throwing arms at the event. Dunlap, a powerful catcher, proved his above-average raw power with a hard-hit double. On the pitching front, Brady delivered 2 scoreless innings with a solid 2-pitch mix. Hurst impressed with a projectable frame and the ability to land 3 pitches for strikes. Burnham stood out on the mound with a strong fastball and a curveball that could freeze hitters. Blomker showcased an above-average breaking ball that generated whiffs on both his fastball and secondaries. Sullivan delivered one of the livelier fastballs of the event, playing even better than its velocity suggested. And Putnam, with an elite pitcher's frame, showcased a fastball up to 96 mph with impressive arm-side run. The performance of these young athletes has ignited excitement across the baseball community, with fans and scouts alike buzzing about the potential of this next generation of stars. The blend of power, speed, and raw talent on display promises a thrilling future for the sport. But what does this mean for the business side of Under Armour? Keep watching to find out about their latest financial ratings, and then we're heading to the ice for some fresh hockey jersey news. Under Armour stock, analysts wait. In the fast-paced world of finance, Rothschild Co Redburn has reaffirmed its neutral rating on Under Armour NYSE UAA, setting a price objective of $6. This move comes as part of a broader trend of analyst sentiment, with various firms adjusting their outlooks on the company's stock. Citigroup and Bank of America have both recently lowered their price objectives for UAA, while the Goldman Sachs Group initiated coverage with a neutral rating. J.P. Morgan Chase & Co. has even issued an underweight rating. Despite these mixed signals, the consensus among analysts, according to Flickly.com, is a hold rating with an average price target of $6.70. Digging deeper into the financials, Under Armour reported 2 cents earnings per share for the last quarter, slightly missing estimates, with revenue holding steady at $1.13 billion. The company's market capitalization stands at $2.08 billion, and while it has a solid debt-to-equity ratio, recent insider trading activity shows directors Robert John Sweeney and Don N. Fitzpatrick acquiring significant share blocks, signaling potential confidence from within. The market is closely watching Under Armour's strategic moves and financial performance. While the stock has seen fluctuations, the ongoing analyst reviews and insider actions provide crucial insights for investors navigating the sports apparel giant's journey. Can UA bounce back and impress investors? We'll see. But first, let's check out the fresh threads hitting the ice in the Canadian Hockey League. New UA jerseys hit the CHL ice. As the Canadian Hockey League gears up for its new season, fans are getting their first look at the brand-new Under Armour jerseys set to grace the ice across the Ontario Hockey League, Quebec Maritime Junior Hockey League, and Western Hockey League. This marks the beginning of a significant 5-year deal between the CHL and UA, replacing CCM as the official jersey supplier for all 61 teams. The most talked-about design element is a distinctive panel on the back collar, which on most teams contrasts with the rest of the jersey's shoulders. While this feature has sparked a mixed reaction on social media, with some fans loving the unique look and others less impressed, it's undeniably a fresh take on team apparel. Interestingly, it appears teams in the WHL might be the exception, with some sporting panels that blend seamlessly with their jersey design. Beyond this collar detail, most teams have opted to retain their existing jersey designs from the previous season, with a few exceptions adding subtle sublimated logos to their forearms. With regular season openers for the OHL and QMJHL on September 18th and the WHL on September 19th, the anticipation is high. However, some teams are reportedly facing delays in receiving their new UA jerseys, leaving fans and players alike eager to see the full collection in action on opening night. Will these new jerseys be a slam dunk for UA? We're about to find out. But first, we're diving into some serious business strategy with Under Armour's CEO. Plank defends micromanagement amidst $434 settlement cloud. Under Armour CEO Kevin Plank is making waves by championing micromanagement as a key to business success, asserting it's totally underestimated for accelerating decision-making and execution. In a recent interview, Plank detailed his strategy to slash product cycles from 18 months down to as little as 6, emphasizing a balance between structured processes and creative freedom through an 80-20 rule. This push for agility aims to revitalize the company's operational speed. However, this cultural overhaul is happening under the persistent shadow of a massive $434 million investor settlement. This settlement, resolving allegations of misleading growth projections, highlights ongoing governance concerns that could continue to affect investor trust despite Plank's return and the company's strategic pivots. The legal battle, while concluded financially, serves as a stark reminder of past challenges as Under Armour strives to forge a new path forward. The company's ability to implement Plank's vision for speed and innovation, while simultaneously rebuilding investor confidence post-settlement, will be critical for its future trajectory. The market remains watchful for tangible results from these ambitious operational changes. That's a wrap on today's top stories. Stick around for our lightning round recap and don't forget to subscribe. And that's a wrap on today's top stories. We saw incredible young talent at the Under Armour Next All-America game. Rothschild Co Redburn reaffirmed their neutral rating for Under Armour stock. The Canadian Hockey League is rocking new Under Armour jerseys, and CEO Kevin Plank is defending his micromanagement style amidst a massive settlement. For Flickly, I'm your host, reminding you to hit that like button, subscribe for more awesome content, ring that notification bell so you never miss an update, drop a comment below with your thoughts, and follow us on all our social channels. We'll see you next time.